Hello, my name's Jason and welcome to the Clothesline store. If you're looking for a folding frame clothesline in Woodland Grey, we have a solution for you. The air dry clothesline is a high quality Australian made clothesline. It comes in three very popular colours being Surf Mist, Monument and Woodland Grey. It can suit 2 to 5 people, hold up to a king size sheet, has 5 to 14 lines, has a line length or hanging area of 7.5 to a massive 41 metres. It comes in two widths, 2.4 metres and 3 metres. It has a number of depth options being from 600mm to a massive 1500mm deep. A ground mount kit option is available and fasteners are included. Assembly is required of the clothesline and it is an Australian made product. It comes with a 10-year factory back warranty and a 1-year warranty on the cord. Some unique features on the clothesline are there is no plastic components on the clothesline at all. The corners are metal, the struts are fully metal, the back rear brackets are a good quality solid metal bracket. It is made from a corrosion resistant steel and is a high quality powder coated frame. The ground mount kit comes in two styles. You can have the standard style, which is ideal for grass or soil installations, or if you have a concrete slab, footpath or something similar, you can purchase the base plates which allow you to bolt them to the concrete and insert the clothesline into them. At the Clothesline store, you will find a full range of industry-leading clothesline brands, types and styles. Also at the Clothesline store, we offer an installation and removal service. So if you are looking to have your new clothesline installed or want your old one removed and the new one installed, we can help. You can find out more details by visiting our installation page at theclotheslinestore.com.au. So thank you for visiting the Clothesline store. I hope we have a solution for you. If you require any information on any of our products or services, you can contact us by calling the number below or above, or visiting the website, or downloading our free official buyer's guide. My name's Jason, thanks for dropping by, and bye for now.